Hi, so today I want to talk about this gazebo that I received. This one in particular is the 13 by 15 foot, and it is the perfect size for our backyard. We have just about a half acre, and it fits in perfectly with everything that we have. It is extremely great quality, and the setup on it, which I'll show you here in a little bit, of a few steps that we took, was extremely easy. It only took about half a day to do, so I would recommend you having someone to help you. That way, while you're screwing in the bolts, somebody could hold it for you to make sure everything is nice and steady. So my husband was able to have a friend to help him, and it worked out so well. They got it done, like I said, in about half a day, and it went very quickly. There was instructions included in it, so everything was labeled out. I do recommend you having a power tool. That way things will go a little bit faster, but other than that, it went really smoothly. The leads on this are all aluminum, and it is all meant to be rust resistant. Here they're attaching the panels on the roof, and there you go. It looks absolutely amazing. I love it, and I cannot rave about it enough. You also have that little hook to hang any lights or anything there. It's definitely going to make sitting outside a lot more enjoyable now, especially with spring and summer around the corner. Definitely going to be a nice place to hide from the sun. And this built-in bench is absolutely amazing as well. I love the fact that they included that in the gazebo. My husband was able to put up some lights on it as well, and it just finished the look entirely, and it looks absolutely perfect.